Today I am unboxing the Fenty Women's Cleated Creeper Surf in blue green. I'm so excited because I already have these, which I filmed an unboxing September of 2018 when I got these. Completely wiped off my camera. I do not know what happened. But I have these. I've had them for 2 years now and I freaking love them. I got these off of the PUMA website, but you know, I don't think Rihanna collaborates with PUMA anymore, so they don't even sell PUMA Fenty on PUMA.com anymore. So I really wanted the sister shoes to these, which are the blue green, which we're about to open. I got these from StockX. They were $107, but with sales tax, processing fee, and shipping, it was $133. So all I'm saying is these better be freaking worth it. I'm so excited. I've been wanting shoes for ever since I got these. I was like, I have to get these. Not me scraping a line in a freaking box. I've never ordered shoes from StockX. These will be my sixth pair of PUMA Fentys, and I have 2 more coming in the mail from Chewbacca, which I will also be unboxing, but they're not creepers. All right, this is what the box looks like. Seen it before. It looks pretty beat up, if you ask me. Here are the credentials: Cleated Creeper Surf, Dazzling Blue Green Gecko. I got a size 9.5. I think these are 9.5. Oh, these are a 9. Okay, I am very scared. All right, so first thing I see is we got a little pamphlet. And then this is what it looks like after the pamphlet. We got the Fenty duster bag, which I always keep these in the shoes. I never actually use these because of this little warning: use with care, colors from this accessory may bleed. So it's like, I don't want this to bleed any shoes, but it's so nice. It's so nice. It's velvet. It's dusty. I'll let it slide. All right, now to the actual shoes. I'm very scared. Why did I get these in a 9.5? It's because I thought I got these in a 9.5. These fit me really. Let me make sure. I haven't worn these in a minute. Yeah, they fit good. I don't know if it's just because I've had them a long time, but these fit great almost. They are conforming to my shoe. I mean, to my foot. The moment of freaking truth. I'm screaming. I'm screaming. Look how pretty. Look. It's so bright. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh, this green is something else. It looks so good in person. It's too bright outside and I'm right in front of a window, but this green is so pretty. Oh my gosh, they're finally in my hand. One thing I love about the Surf, why I love these so much and why I said I have to get these now, they're slip-on. There's no laces. These are bungee cords. Bungee cords. I'm overwhelmed with happiness. I've been dreaming about these shoes. Let's get into the details. It comes with a little StockX verified authenticity tag. Please inspect item. All claims null and void if tag removed. So if you're not happy with the shoe, just send it back, but you gotta make sure you keep this thing on. A lot of companies do that. Anyway, I'm gonna compare it to this shoe. So yeah, as you can see, this one's bigger because it's a 9.5. I could have sworn I got these in 9.5, but I didn't. So hopefully they're not too big. We got the Fenty on the drawstring thing, the jumping cord thing, and also on this one. Mine just broke. So this is what it's supposed to look like. We got the tag. Never pulled out the other shoe. I was so infatuated by this one. This green. This freaking green. The camera, we're gonna have to look at it in the try on haul because the camera is not giving it justice at all. That was me unboxing them from the box. Like I said, comes with a duster bag. I never use these. They stay in the box. You can't see, but the parchment paper has PUMA all over it. It's very faint, but it says PUMA by Rihanna all over it. The box. Fenty, don't play with her.